Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is December 19th, 2024, and we're diving into Steelcase's third quarter fiscal 2025 earnings report. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Steelcase, a leader in office furniture and workplace solutions, has just released their Q3 results, showing some interesting trends and financial metrics that we'll explore today.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Steelcase reported a revenue of $794.9 million for the third quarter, marking a 2% increase year over year. John, what are the key drivers behind this growth?
The revenue growth was primarily driven by a 5% increase in the Americas, which offset a 6% decline in international markets. The growth in the Americas was supported by higher shipments from the backlog and increased sales to government, corporate, healthcare, and education sectors.
And how about profitability?
Steelcase's gross margin improved by 100 basis points to 33.4%, thanks to revenue growth in the Americas and cost reduction initiatives. However, net income decreased to $19.1 million from $30.8 million last year, partly due to a non-cash pension plan settlement charge.
EPS performance and analyst expectations. Steelcase reported an adjusted earnings per share of 30, surpassing the analyst forecast of 23 cents. John, what contributed to this EPS beat?
The EPS beat was largely due to stronger than expected performance in the Americas, where organic revenue grew by 7%. Additionally, cost-cutting measures and restructuring actions helped improve profitability, leading to higher adjusted EPS.
How does this performance align with Steelcase's own targets?
Steelcase exceeded its own EPS targets for the quarter, which is a positive indicator of their operational efficiency and strategic execution, particularly in the Americas.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. John, let's talk about operational efficiencies. Steelcase reported an operating income of $41.0 million, but adjusted operating income was slightly lower than last year. What are the factors at play here?
The decrease in operating income is attributed to the absence of last year's one-time benefits, such as gains from asset sales. However, the company has implemented additional restructuring actions expected to save $5 million annually by fiscal 2026, which should bolster future profitability.
And looking ahead, what is Steelcase's outlook for the next quarter?
Steelcase projects Q4 revenue between $770 and $795 million, with adjusted EPS expected to range from 20 to 24. They anticipate continued growth in the Americas, although international markets remain challenging.
CFO Insights. What insights did Steelcase's leadership provide in this report?
CEO Sara Armbruster highlighted the strong performance in the Americas and the company's focus on supporting customer workplace strategies. Meanwhile, CFO Dave Sylvester noted the challenges in international markets, particularly due to demand fluctuations and shipment delays.
How is Steelcase addressing these international challenges?
They are implementing cost reduction measures and restructuring actions to improve efficiency. Additionally, they are encouraged by higher project activity levels and recent wins in key international markets like France and Germany.
Key takeaways. In summary, Steelcase has delivered a solid performance in Q3 2025 with revenue growth and an EPS beat. Their strategic focus on the Americas and cost efficiencies are paying off despite international challenges. John, any final thoughts on Steelcase's investment prospects?
Steelcase's strong performance in the Americas and effective cost management make it a promising investment, especially if they can address international market challenges. Their liquidity position has also strengthened, providing a solid foundation for future growth.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, Please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Steelcase's performance in the comments below.